Hey guys, it's me, SethBlocks here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a survival base for beginners. So, the first thing you're going to need is a flat area so you can build it, because it's just better if you have a flat area. If you can't get a flat area, you can always smoothen out the area. So you can do that, except you're probably going to want a flat area. And then you're going to need wood, and you're going to need an oak door, or whatever type of door you can make with your wood. And that's pretty much all you need for right now. So, you're going to want to make your first wall, and it's going to be 7 blocks wide, or basically with a number from like 7 to 15 is pretty much good. And then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 to 10 maybe for that. And then we're gonna finish the walls. And then on the side you want your door, just break a block and you can put your door there later. And then you want your base to at least have 3 blocks of space, so that you can actually jump in your base. So, I'm going to build the first wall for you guys. And the first wall should look like this. Then you're going to repeat to the same height on each of the other walls. And then you can build a roof, which you can just, since it's maybe like your first base, you can just do this for now, and you can make it look better later when you have like more materials. And then you have this area. Now for lighting, you're probably either gonna want windows, or what you probably would get earlier in the game, torches. And place one on like each side of your wall. And now you have some lighting. So, for the flooring, if you want, and I recommend doing this, you can replace it with wood, or basically whatever material you want. So maybe we can do, for some contrast, we could do like some birch plank some birch planks for it. Wrong one. Okay. Though it could be anything you want for the flooring. And then you can put your door. And now you probably want your stuff in your base. So you'd have your crafting table, your furnace, and your bed, which I'm gonna assume would probably be a white bed. Then put those like wherever you want. And now you have your own little survival base. And you can change this block if you want to. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, that's all. Bye guys.